All right, guys, if you are into off-grid builds that still give you all of the modern amenities, that means heating, cooling, and running water, then this is the video for you, and YouTube has placed you on the right channel. So go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe for more like this. All right, this cabin here has got one of the largest solar systems that I have viewed, and I am excited to show you that. We're going to go through some of the systems here that that make this all self-sustainable, and really give you the option to break away from the grid and the utility bills. So come on. All right, the basis for any of these off-grid systems is water, and we start off this tour with 5,000 gallons of rainwater storage tied in. Now, from that rainwater storage, we're going to come inside the building here. We've got a valve down here. Then we go up to a check valve. This is a sediment filter with a drain on it. We've got our water pump, our pressure tank. Come out of the pressure tank or water pump there, and we go up here to a 3-stage filtration system. And then we go over to a UV filter. We've got isolation valves on all of these. Then in the spirit of keeping this off grid and reducing the load on the solar system, especially during your winter months, we've got a Amish clothesline here. And then we've got a septic system going out this direction with a leach field, and we're capturing another 1,500 gallons of water off of the house roof. And another 500 gallons being captured here off of the solar shed. We come over to the propane system here, or the propane tank. This is a 500 gallon tank. And the way that things are set up here on this cabin, that's going to last around 2 years, give or take. We're running 3 things off of that. We're running a stove, water heater, and a furnace in the living room. And I'll show you those in just a minute. This is the furnace. It is a 16,000 BTU fan forced Rene. It will maintain the temperature in here for whatever you set, and run off of the solar system easily. Also running a 24-inch stove and cooktop here. So oven and cooktop with a broiler there on the bottom, and a water heater back there. Those are the only 3 things running off of the propane. In addition to the 3-stage filtration system and the UV filter, also running a gravity-fed Alexa Pure filter here on top of the counter. Still managed to get in a dual flushing toilet here. But also to keep in line with that off-grid style, we've got a composting toilet back here that has a UV light and a fan-forced vent on it. 2 8,000 BTU window units here. These are the inverter style. They run off of the solar system just fine and are able to maintain the air temperature in this 1,200 square foot house without a problem. This fridge is an Iceco. I believe this is a 60 liter. And it also has a backup battery to this system. So you can set your temperature, and if you end up in an outage, you've got power still providing the compressor. So the first solar array here is 10 of these 440 watt panels. They are bifacial, so they are providing 4.4 kilowatts. And on the second array, it's 4.2 kilowatts of mono. So they are not the bifacial, but they are, I believe there's 15 285 watt panels that are running this system. And the real driving force behind all of these are 2 wall mount 14 kilowatt batteries. So you've got 28 kilowatts of battery storage here, and running those 2 of the EG4 6000 XPs. So, all right, folks, if you find that interesting and you like this sort of content, please go ahead and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. What do you think this homestead is missing? And or is this the perfect off-grid setup? I'm excited to hear your comments and interact with y'all below. All right, we'll catch y'all next time. Mountain Wizard out. See ya.